Hey guys, just got the Jimalax box in, and so I told you I'd do an unboxing, so here it is. Invoice. It's pretty cool. No, it's an invoice. It's a pretty small order too. 100-yard sidewall right here. Ooh, freebie. Didn't order this, but got some. I think this is their new zigzag sidewall. Looks pretty sweet. Did order this, so got 4 leathers, I think they gave me. Yeah, they gave me 4. Great though. And then 10-yard white crosslay segment in my tread. I'm gonna put it in my stallion. And stickers. They sent me a lot of extra stickers. Neon green, neon yellow, another neon green, and neon yellow. Those are gonna look really sweet on the ball bucket right here. Got some stickers going on. I'm gonna try to fill that up. Stickers, and we got 10 white shooters. Let me see. I want to say it was 10. 10, but they gave me 12. Thanks, Jimalax. 12, and then I got the new wristbands from them, which are pretty sick. These things are awesome. I'm wearing one of their white ones right now, and I've got God knows how many other ones, so pretty cool. Got a lot of extra stuff there. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.